Today I am starting the new topic here, cross applications. Cross applications. On the other day you were telling about IDOC, sir, correct? So we are discussing the IDOCs and other things here now. During this week, we start doing so many things here. I'll give very good notes on this IDOCs and the cross applications. Make yourself comfortable. Yes, sir. I could not get that one at all. That fellow is not answering my call at all. Yeah.
About after, I will try to make you these notes and everything. But I am not the better.
Anyway, sir, whatever you have the queries anytime, not only now, anytime you can mail it to me, or you can have separate discussion on the topic at all. Okay. If it is required, we spend some time surely on the subject. I am always ready.
Yeah, I will go through one.
Correct.
That process, okay?
Yes, sir.
And I need one or two classes.
Yes, sir. Surely, I will take any.
This time I want
Correct.
take some notes and share some
Correct. I have a student rapport from almost 10 years back also. The people will call and ask the questions to me. There is nothing wrong in such type of things. It is all the subject goes on every time. We should go with the subject.
Yeah, I'm requesting one or two classes on that.
Sure. Yes, sir. I will, if they are possible, that today, if I get that person any details, I will forward it to you surely. Okay. If there is any chance of server access also, I will try, sir. Okay. Sure. And today we start with this cross applications, SAP technologies for data transfer. So far we have seen LSMW, the tool for data transfer. LSMW, it's a tool for data transfer. We have seen BDC, that is a method for data transfer. Now we are seeing CA, cross applications. This is technology for data transfer. More bigger term, technologies for data transfer. So this is the most biggest thing out of all the data transfer methods. There are three technologies used here: ALE, application linking enabling; RFC, remote function call; EDI, electronic data interchange. Three technologies are available here, and we discuss IDOCs, intermediate documents. The best book for reference is SAP ALE RFC EDI technologist Arvind Nagpal. Publication. Today we are learning about ALE.
You have after that.
This book is there, but not any soft copy, sir. Okay. It's a very excellent book on the technologies. If you have any chance, you can buy that book. Linking, enabling. I am giving excellent notes on this subject. Even the book is not there, you can read the notes and get the subject. Okay. So, what is this ALE technology now? We are going to learn today, starting from today. In every technology, we have a sender, we have a receiver. Sender who is sending the data, receiver is receiving the data. So, both the people are in the SAP only. Sender is in SAP, receiver is also SAP, and sender is using the IDOCs here to send the data from the sender to the receiver. The receiver is receiving the IDOC. This technology of sending and receiving using the IDOCs is known as ALE technology. So, IDOCs, ALE means it is a distributed scenario. Distributed scenario. It is a technology, SAP technology for data transfer within SAP, that is R/3 system to R/3 system using IDOCs, intermediate documents. What is this IDOCs and how this technology is using the IDOCs? So, the process which you are doing here is business document we say is converted to an IDOC form. IDOC is a container where you are placing the data. All your data from hundreds and multiples of tables is placed in a container called IDOC, and this IDOC is being sent to the sender to the receiver end. In a container you are placing the data and sending to the receiver end. This is again processing the IDOC into the business document. Here the sender side process is known as outbound process, and this process is called inbound process. Here, what is an outbound process means? The process of converting business document into IDOC, that is intermediate document is known as outbound process. Inbound process, the process of converting IDOC into business document is known as inbound process. So, most of the time in this technology we are using this IDOCs. Everybody talks about one word in the ALE technology, that is IDOC. What is this IDOC? I should know perfectly here. IDOC, intermediate documents. IDOC is a container to hold the data during distribution process. What is this container? How it is holding the data? We see now. This container is having 3 divisions: control record, the second data record, and the third status record. These are the 3 divisions of the IDOC here. Control record contains who is the sender of the IDOC, receiver of the IDOC, what is the port information, and it is also having the message type. What is a message type means? Message type specifies what type of data is going to be distributed using the IDOC. So, suppose you are distributing customer information. There is a predefined message type for customer debmas. Suppose vendor information you are sending, cremas. These are all predefined by the SAP. Material information, matmas. Like this, so many message types are defined by the SAP. Purchase orders. Like this, a message type is going to tell us what you are sending in a IDOC. This is a type of information and message type. Ports are created on either side of the distribution process. I should create ports on both sides, then only I can distribute the IDOCs on either side of the distribution process. There are around 200 T codes used in this ALE technology. You can list all those things. Presently we are learning this technology with an example. To do this process of ALE technology, I am having the sender information, the receiver information. I am creating this information first. To create one example of the ALE technology, I should have complete details of this sender and the receiver. The sender username I am giving here SAP user, and password for the sender India 123, and the language English. The client of the sender is 800. And now we are creating one logical system on the sender side 800 and giving the name as LS 800. I am giving 1 2 3, and here the receiver information is like this. He is having the username Hemant and password. I have to create this thing. Okay, password, say welcome 123, and the language English. Client, within the same client we never transfer, we go with the other client 000. Here also I am creating logical system. Logical system is the name to identify the system. LS, always give the logical system name in capital letters 000 HEM. This I am giving PHA, that is better, PHA. So this is funny system, this is Hemant system. Logical system is a name to identify the system. Name given to identify the sender and receiver system. Receiver systems. So, using basis rights, I should have authorization, okay, as a basis. Basis authorization, create user Hemant. Okay, I am creating a username Hemant now. In the 00 client, sir. This is not in our regular client 800. So, in the 00, I have here SAP user, SAP star, not SAP user, SAP star, and India 123. This is a administrator rights for logging on to 00. Okay, I have logged on to 00 as an administrator, basis authorization, and then creating the user Hemant. Go to T code SU01 to create user. I am going to SU01 here to create the user. Here I am creating the username Hemant. The username is Hemant. User create. We are creating this user now. And the last name I am giving Hemant. Last name Hemant. And now log on data, click on this one. See that this fax number is 0, otherwise warning will be shown. So just remove the fax number and click on the log on data now. And give the initial password. I am giving India 123. India 123 is the initial password given now. Log on data. Log on data. Initial password. Password India 123. Repeat password. Same password I am repeating, India 123. Click on the profiles here. Here the profiles are important. The profiles I am giving SAP new, SAP all. This is authorization for the ABAP people. Profiles. Click on profiles. Give SAP all, SAP new. Save the settings. This user Hemant is now created. Let us test the user now. Once you save this user. System log off. Test the user. User Hemant in 00 client. Change the password as whatever you have given here. This user I am creating, welcome 123 Hemant. So welcome 123 is a new password, sir. Welcome 123. India 123 is now changed to welcome 123. When you are logging on to the first time to the system with the Hemant user, it will ask to change the password. So Hemant, and the password is, first one is India 123, and once you log on it will ask to change the password. The new password, for the first time when you are entering, it is asking to change the password. You give here India 123. Here also India 123. Continue. Sorry, not India, welcome. COME 123. WELCOME 123. WELCOME 123. WELCOME 123. So it has logged on with the welcome 123 for the 00 client Hemant. Okay. I am doing the ALE process completely tomorrow, sir. There is power shutdown here. Next class, continuation. ALE technology. Okay. I am doing the example tomorrow. Here there is no power right now. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. We meet again tomorrow. I will give any information if we has passed about the server. Okay. Today. Bye. Good day, sir. Bye.